Hello. So today we will learn about operators and conditions. There are different conditions and operators available in Python, and some of them we already seen in the previous lesson, but we will properly introduce them in here. So let's just start it. So first of all, we will study about Python operators. What is an operator? Operator is a type of symbol which performs some operations on values and variables. Alright, both on values and variables. So in this section we will discuss different types of operators in Python. Basically Python has 7 different types of operators. So first of which is arithmetic arithmetic operators. All right, so let's just start with the arithmetic operator. So as you already know, what are the arithmetic operations? Arithmetic operators includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. As you already I think studied about them, but anyways we will start with addition operator. So addition is simply the with plus sign. When we do 5 plus 4, then we will get 9. Similarly, if we do the 2 plus 6, we will get 8. We can do similarly with the variables as well. 3 and 2. So when we do the sorry 1 equals to 4, so where plus where 1, we will get 6. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. So you have got two same name variables. This will override the space. That is why we have got 2 for variable and 4 for variable 1. Alright, so let's move to the subtraction. So subtraction is never different. It is the same as addition. Alright, so you can do similar with the variable as well. So I will not waste our time and will go to the multiplication. In the multiplication, we have got the static sign. Basically, I will do that. 8 multiplied by 6. So the static sign is used for multiplication, as you already have known, because we already have done with these kind of operations in the last lesson. Now we got the division operator. It perform basically division, and for division we got the slash. Slash will do the division. All right, so yes, after that we got the modulus operator. Modulus is used to get the remainder, so we will get the remainder by using the percentage sign, which is called the modulus operator in Python. So yes, we got a remainder. And similarly, yes, all right, so modulus is used for taking remainder. Okay, so after that we have exponential, and we have not used it yet. So exponential is basically, it raises the first number to the power of the second number. It raises the first number to the power of the second number. As if we try 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, we got 64, but 3 times the 4 equals to 64. Now if we take the exponential, which is 3 times the 4, 4 raises 3 times, so it we will get again 64. So 4 raises 3 times. Similarly, if we do 5 multiplied by 5, we got 25, means 5 raises 2 times, 2 times multiplied. So for that matter, we will take 2 multiplication sign, means 2 strikes for exponential, and 5 raised to, it will get we will get 25. So I hope you understand that. Let's move on to the next one, which is the floor division. Floor division is basically return the quotient. All right, it will return us the quotient. We already done that. If we use 2 slashes, we will get our quotient. All right, let's use one more example, and yes, we got 1 if we divide 7 by 4. Okay, so let's these were all the arithmetic operators. Now we have got the second kind of operators, which is called the relational operators. Okay, these are called the relational operators, and these are comparison or relational operators such as equals to, equals to, 2 times equals to sign, and not equals to exclamation sign along with equal sign will be given us the not equal sign. Similarly, we can greater than and the less than. Okay, so these are all the um, relational operators. Okay, so first of all, we will try the greater than symbol. Oh, and one more thing. If we use the symbol, we will get the true or false result. So let's check. 5 greater than 4. It is true. Yes, it is true. And if we take the 4 greater than 5, no, it is not true. That's why we got the false result. Similarly, there are the less than operators. 8 less than 9. Yes, it is true. 9 less than 8. No, it is not true. So we will get the false. Similarly, we have got the greater than or equals to. Greater than equals to. So 5 greater than equals to? Yes, it is true because 5 is greater than 4. Similarly, we can say 4 greater than equals to 5. No, it is not greater than 5 nor equals to 5. So yes, we got the false result. Similarly, we have the less than or equals to. Now, if we do the 4 less than equals to 5, now the 4 is less than 5. Yes, so we get true result. And if 4 less than equals to 4, yes, 4 is not equal less than 4, but it is equal to 4. So yes, we get the true result. Now, we also have equals to. Remember that. Single equal to operator is used for assignment. Alright, if we want to compare two values, we have to use equals to sign, which is equal to two equal signs. So we get two equal sign to do the comparison of two values. Alright, so 8 equals to 8, yes, it is equal. If 8 equals to 9, no, it is not equal, so we get the false result here. Okay, so remember. Alright, now we have not equals to. Okay, for not equals to, as I already told you, that we have to use exclamation sign along with equals to sign to negate it. So if we have got 5 and not equals to 4, yes, 5 is not equals to 4. Yeah, we got true result. And if we got 5 not equals to 5, it is false because 5 equals to 5. So yes, it has given us a false. So these are all the relational operators. Let's move on to the next, which are the assignment operator. Okay, so assignment operator, as you already know, is the equal sign, single time equal sign. Let's just use it with some other operators and see what it is has. So first of all, we have assign operator. Okay, for the assign operator, we get a equals to 5. Now 5 is a value which is assigned to a. You already know the values are assigned on the left hand side. So when we do the print a, we got the value 5. Okay, so next is add and assign operator. Okay, add and assign operator, x equals to 5, x equals to x plus 5. Now if we print the x value, we got 10 because 5 plus 5 equals to 10. We do the same thing with a different way, which is x equals to 5 and x plus equals 5. Okay, so this is called the add assign operator. Okay, so this is called add assign operator, add and assign operator, because we are adding and assigning at the same time. All right, so when we print the x, we have got the same result. All right, so this is how we actually do these things. Now similarly, we got the subtract and assign operator. So for that, if we get x equals to 5 and nevertheless x minus equals to 5. So 5 minus 5 equals to 0. When we print x, we will get the 0. Alright, so we are assigning and subtracting at the same time to the same variable. Alright, so now we will do the multiplication and assign operator, which is again is similar. X equals to 5, x multiply equals to 5. Alright, x multiply equals to 5 means 5 will multiply by 5 and then the result will store into the x. So if we print the x, we will get 25. Okay. Similarly, we have divide and assign operator, which is similar again. X equals divide equals. Now you have to remember one thing. It is a symbol before and the assignment operator after. We have got the arithmetic operator before, and after that we have got the assignment operator. It cannot be x equals 2 and divide by 5. It cannot be this way. It is always have to be this way with all other operations as well, of course. Alright, so 5 divided by 5 will give us a 1. Okay, so then we have a mod operator, modulus operator, modulus and assign operator, which is again is same. X equals to 5, and if we do the print x mod by 3, we will get 2 result. And if we do the same, x equals to x mod by 3, and then we print x, we will get 2. And lastly, we have x mod by equals to 3. And when we print it, we will get the same result. I'm just showing you this thing. This can be done by multiple ways, but nevertheless, this is the easiest and time-saving one. Alright, so next we have exponential and equals to x equals to 2, and then x exponential equals to 3, and means 2 raised to 3 times. And when 2 raised to 3 times, it will get us the result 8. Alright, I've just forgot I have to print the x. Alright, so we got the value 8 with x. Okay, so lastly we have floor and assign operator, for which we will again take x equals to 5 and then x floor operator equals to 2. Sorry. And then we will just print the result x, and we got the result 2, which is right. Okay, so this is these were the assign. Alright, now we have the Python logical operators, and the logical operators are used for combining more than one condition or whenever we need to check more than one condition. So these are actually and, or, and not. Alright, there are 3 types of Python logical operators, which are and, or, and not. Okay, so first of all we will check the and operator. So and operator is used to check that all given conditions must be true. We use it when we need to check our all conditions are true. Okay, so let's just try. If 5 greater than equals to 6, this is false because 5 is not greater than equals to 6, and 4 equals to 4. Now the second condition is true but the first condition is false, so we will get the false result. For AND operator we must have all conditions true. Alright, so let's try another example. 5 less than 6. Now 5 is less than 6 and 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so obviously 4 is greater than 3 and 5 is less than 6. So we will both conditions are true. Now we will get the result true. Okay, so this is the only condition when we have the result true. Okay, so there next is OR operator. So for the OR, whenever we need to check that at least one condition is true from the all conditions. So if we do the 4 less than 5, which is true, or 4 not equals to 4, and that 4 is obviously equals to 4, so second condition is false but the first condition is true, so we get the result true. Okay, so if 4 equals to 4, which is obviously correct, and 4 less than 3, which is not true, again we will get true because the first condition is true. Okay, so we will get false only when both of the conditions are false. So 4 less than 3 or 4 greater than 6, which is where there are both conditions false, we will get the false result. Now the last one is not. So not operator reverses the result of a condition, If the condition is false, then reverse it to true, and if the condition is true, then reverse it to the false. So if let's just try 5 greater than 4, 4 greater than 5, which is false. But if we use not with it, it will give us the true result. Okay, so this is how it works in the not operator. Let's just try another example. 4 greater than 5 and 4 greater than 3. So what will our result be? So 4 is greater than 3, which is obviously uh, right, and we have used the AND operator, so both conditions must be true, and 4 greater than 5 is obviously false, but we have used not with it, so it will also give us true result. So the both we have both conditions true. Now we will get the result true. So this is how the logical operators work in Python. All right.